Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. This season we are in Lebanon, my hometown, Baissour, and we are at the river here, and I'm going to share with you some of my recipes that you'll love. صباح الخير ابو جمعة. يلا بدك تساعدني شوي. So this is our land. We planted so much. This is lima beans. This whole thing is lima beans. Look. So you'll wait until like they are fully grown. I will show you. The one is good. See, you can see the seeds. Now you can pick it up. In California, I cook the lima beans, the dry one. This is the green one. It tastes much better, but you know, over there we can't find it unless we can find it in the freezer section. I'll boil them and I'll put them with the tomato sauce, put it in the jar, and just store it for the winter. In the winter, just make the meat or vegetarian, whatever you want to cook it with, and just dump it, and it's ready to be eaten. Lima beans, fresh green lima beans. That's what we are going to use. هذه بدي احطهم مع المحشي كوسة وهيك. Oh my God, هاولي هي تعال شوف. How فيهم باذنجان. For مسقعة, you know. Sometimes we use them for the شيخ المحشي. You cut them هيك, thick sliced. Yeah. هودي 2 coffee وهيدي متي. بدك تعمل خلوفة. I got them from Amazon. I ordered them. I kept them in the box where they send it to me with a little water and sand in the bottom. Put them in a box and ship them with me. This is okra, green okra. Some people they cook it like this, and some people they like it small one. I like it this size, little bigger. It's okay. If my sister here, so she'll be mad. She wants me to cut it with a scissor. She said it's better to treat the plant good, so it will give more. You have to be nice to the plant, so you'll harvest more. The problem with the zucchini, they will be hiding, so you have to dig for it. And this one is mlukhiyyi. This one. We harvest them 3 times. And every time you harvest them, they will grow more. This is when it's like light color, that means it's sour pomegranate. If it's dark color, it's the sweet one. This is Baissour River, they call it. These we are going to pickle for the winter. It's not too spicy, not too sweet. ولا يسلموا لي ليك بس عم بحكي مع اختي على المانيا. انا عندها لعبت. شو جايبه حضره معك؟ جايبهم كل شيء. بندوره اهو. بندوره. هون الشيف. هاي. بيوتيفول فيديو طالع راح صور هونيكي. كل شيء. ايه. جيبي هول دبس بندوره المربيات تنفلشون.